HVAC tips: 5 tips to save cooling and heating energy. Firstly, please insulate your home properly. Close up space among doors and windows tightly. Then fix any breakdown storm windows. Please be sure to check loft for wind too. If the cold cannot enter, so you will not use heating. You can check if there are still be any holes by lighting a candle near doors and windows. Let's check if the candle is affected by a wind or not. Then you can seal any holes you see. You can set up a few high degree of thermostat in summer and a few lower in winter, because you will not see something happen for a few degree change except your electricity charge. You can reduce up to 10% on heating and cooling energy by just 5 degrees change. Air conditioner and heater is mostly needed to be effectiveness. No matter what you use, a grate or heater, you should check out the effectiveness and clean the filters will be energy saving. Most of new grates will function about 80% effectiveness. However, if it is not be taken care of, it will reduce around 40%. As air conditioners, cleans the window and check the holes. Also check out and repair if need for central air conditioners every year. You can ventilate air by using fans. Associating with setting up a few degree higher for the thermostat, it will let you to be still cool in summer by not expend a lot of money for electric expense. Set up functionable, energy-saving stars thermostat. Please be certain that it is off from cold and hot place in your home. The thermostat would take the average temperature in the house. You can save your energy expense around $100 a year if you use energy-saving stars thermostat. Please use grate, furnace or fireplace for special occasions only. They are ineffective and you might really waste heat up the smoke vent than the fire made. Set up a grate stick to decrease waste of heat, and certain to shut off your grate to maintain heat from blowing out the smoke vent when you have no fire. You should change a new fireplace if it is more than 15 years. Technology have taken us very effective heating choices which get for them fast by the saving they take. If it is not too cold to use heater and not too warm to use air conditioner, you can think about the heat pump. It can tune the temperature by saving the cost of using cooling or heating system. More HVAC articles and information, please visit http://www.fguide.net. Article source: https://ezinarticles.com/expert/namphan_w/121689